Hey there, it is Tomster here, and guess who forgot that it's the last of the month and didn't film a video? This guy. So, just gonna go over real quick on what's happened this month. Just because I forgot, well, this has progressed. I can't really remember, oh, for Christ's sake. Can't really remember too much what I've been doing this month. It's been crazy. But Johnny's base is coming along very well. So now it is rough sanded. Everything's roughly shaped. Still need to do the headstock inlay. Need to do the back cavity route. This has been rough sanded. Neck is now fitted. And yep, sticking. I did post a video of that on Instagram and Facebook and everywhere else. Let's see, what else have I been up to? The Daedalus model with the curly birch top has also gotten some binding. I did book mat, well, sort of. I did put the joint in and glued up the top for the Bubinga topped Icarus model. So that's coming along very nicely. I did buy... Sorry about that. I did buy some epoxy from Polymers Technology from Canada. And this stuff is awesome. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to use it on one of the Daedalus models, which I think is right here. Yep, that one. Going to use it on that one. And then I did buy some ebony, which you can't see because it's dark as hell. Did buy a big chunk of ebony, and this is all going to be turned into fretboards. I calculated that I'm going to get about 6 fretboards out of this. Right into a little bit of an issue where I was planning on making the next batch all 24 fret instruments, but I'm about that much short. So they're all going to be 22 fret. And then on the next batch, I'm going to have 2 fretboards that are kind of river table-esque, so they're going to have resin in the middle. Apart from that, just been going crazy with getting all the videos done. And I decided to go back to a European, quote-unquote, schedule where just putting things up at 3 p.m. GMT plus 2, so finish time, because it's so much easier for me. The sort of US schedule was draining, because that meant that at 8 o'clock on Fridays, I had to be posting a video, doing all the social media updates and everything else. Whereas, you know, on Fridays, I would much rather just be relaxing after a long work week. And same thing with Tuesdays. I mean, Tuesdays I would have to put out a video at 9 o'clock and then do all the social media posts and stuff like that. So yeah, it was draining to say the least. So I'm gonna stick to 3 p.m. right now. Be sure to tell me in the comments when you actually watch these videos. Like roughly about what time of the day do you watch them and where are you from? So that kind of gives me a better idea of who's watching my videos, so I can actually tailor the schedule a little bit better. But hey, I am gonna go make myself dinner and then go to sleep and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. So, all right. See you guys next week. Bye.